Andrea Prisotto. I'm the principal investigator. I developed this project with my collaborators in Brazil and the US and one of my students here at Salisbury University. The goal of this project is to investigate the impact of human activities on mangrove forests that host the bearded capuchin monkeys. Until very recently, much of the Brazilian society valued the mangrove ecosystem in terms of conversion for economic gain. Our mangrove site in Brazil is surrounded by migrating dunes, and the vegetation is influenced by the fluvial coast of the Amazon. We will collect the capuchin's behavior from two mangrove islands, Morro do Boi and Vassouras. Vassouras is a tourism destination that has experienced the increased sightseeing groups visiting the two used capuchins. In Vassouras, where tourists constantly feed human food to the monkeys, we expect an increase in the number of capuchin infants, a higher intra-group competition for human food items, and a large group size. A more comprehensive data collection has not been conducted in mangroves along the Províncias River, and we understand little regarding the importance of mangroves in the bird capuchin ecology. In the estuary of Preguiças River, bearded capuchins use wooden hammers and anvils to crack open crabs and mollusks. The capuchins in mangroves are a very rare case among primates that rely mostly on crabs for their diet, which they exploit with tools. Recent experiments at Morro do Boi show that capuchins usually select the wooden tools to consume larger crabs, which have larger and harder claws than smaller crabs do.
Studies of primate behaviors are an extremely valuable tool for conservation. Species like bearded capuchins, which can develop such advanced adaptations and cultures as tool use and crab consumption for mangrove living, respond in equally complex ways to human activities like tourism. Studying the bearded capuchins of Maranhao not only contributes towards their preservation by increasing our knowledge of their behaviors and population well-being, but also develops our understanding of how growing tourism industries across global primate ranges are helping or harming primate conservation. Our findings will reveal any ways in which the increasingly frequent contact between primates and tourism is detrimental and should be controlled, while also advancing research methods through the use of drones and wildlife censuses in relatively untraversable areas such as mangroves.